We put
stuffed animals,
Olivia.
puzzles,
Olivia. Infant or a pair of pajamas?
We are at Portland Elementary, and we teamed up with a school in Eastern Kentucky when I heard about their project, Foster Friends.
We're bagging backpacks for foster kids, and then we're going to hand them over to Jefferson County Social Services so they can give them to those kids.
I wanted to give my students an experience giving back to their community because other people have given to them, and this was a chance for them to step it up and give back to the community.
It makes me feel awesome and proud and just joyful because I know I'm going to help the community. I don't see it, but people and the community has helped me a whole bunch more than I could ever repay.
They have loved this project. They have been so excited coming to school. They could not wait to meet the other team and put the book bags together.
It's pretty good because we're all coming together and we're helping save the people that don't have stuff.
Just bringing a smile on their face can make a whole entire difference, especially in your lives, because that makes you happy to know that you helped somebody else.
This is the ball, a puzzle, and the brush and the comb.
I want them to feel my happiness that I have when I get stuff.
A tiny thing can make a big difference, even if it's just smiling at somebody.
I just wanted to cry all day because they've done amazing work.